Hello and welcome again. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your SSH port number, like the default port number. Like we all know how the SSH is installed. I have already created a video. If you wanted to see it, I will be mentioning that video link in my description. So today I'm going to show you how you can change the default port. So let me tell you something about the SSH. SSH is a powerful tool for remote server management in Linux-based operating system, including Ubuntu. It's basically used to access remote servers securely. So the thing is, SSH operate on the default port of 22, so which can be easily targeted by the attackers. Thus, you can modify the port to protect your system from such kind of cyber attacks. So I'm going to show you in this video how you can do that. So first of all, what you have to do, I'm going to check on my virtual machine. So I'm in my virtual machine now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to check that which port is currently being used for SSH. So let me just open the terminal. Okay, so the terminal is open now. So before initiating the process of changing the SSH port, let's check our current SSH port which is being used in our computer. So to do that, what we're going to do, we're going to type sudo space ss u l p and pray SSH. So this thing will gonna tell us that which port is currently using by the SSH tool. So let's hit enter. It will ask us for the password. So okay, as you can see, the default port is 22. Okay, so we are going to change this one. So now we have to make sure that the SSH service is running properly before making the changes. So we are going to check it by typing sudo systemctl SSH. Okay, so this command will help us to see that if the services is running or not. As you can see, it's saying that is active and running. So we are confirmed that it's working perfectly. Okay, so let me just go to the, okay, I'm on my Windows computer once again. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the tool called putty. Okay, and okay, let's see our IP address on this system. So advert on, okay, so we can see that our system IP is this one 5.7. So let's go to the Windows system once again. Okay, so on the putty I'm going to type the same IP with the default 22 port and see if it's connecting or not. Okay, as you can see, it's saying the login as the user. So let me put the password. Okay, so we are inside of the server now. So this is the default port, which is 22. Now we are going to change it. So we are going to the SSH configuration file. Let me clear all these things. So now we are going to change the SSH port. So let's change the user to root first. So okay, we are in the root now. So I'm going to type, I'm going to use the nano tool. So you can use Vim if you want. So tc ssh, and this is the file where the configuration settings are being contained. So let's open it. So if you scroll down a bit, you can see this is the port which is being used. We are going to remove the hash, and then you can just delete that thing, and I'm going to use port 99. So after typing this, we have to save it. So press Ctrl key and X, and it will ask you, so I then enter. Okay, so the port is now changed. Okay, So what we are going to do, we are going to restart the SSH services once again. Okay, so let's type mctl restart SSH. Okay, it's restarted. So we are going to check the port that we just recently changed. It's working or not. So to check, we are going to use the SSTN, then grep SSH. Okay, so as you can see, the port is 99. Now we have to update this in our firewall to ensure that the system allow incoming connection to the newly specified port. So we are going to use this ufw allow 99/dcp and hit enter. Okay, as you can see, it's saying rule updated. So now let me just go to my Windows system once again so I can try to take this server once again with the new port. Okay, so I'm on my Windows system now, so I'm going to type this same server IP once again over here to access this. So let's type the server IP, which was 7. So previously it was on 22. So first let's try that if it's working on the 22 or not. So I tried, but as you can see, it's not coming. It's saying network error, connection refused. Okay, so now we are going to do the same thing one more time with the new port. So it will be 99 and open. Okay, so it's saying login as okay. I've entered my computer user and the password, and we are inside of the computer. If I type IP you can see this is the IP address. So this is how you can change the port number in SSH. So if you find any value from this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you so much and have a nice day.